Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJS Info. This video covers how to get data based on city wise and item wise or segment wise without using any VLOOKUP, index match, filter or X match. We are going to use only AI tool and going to use only VBA coding. Even though without knowing any code, you can able to make it out. Okay, for example, here these are the sales data: serial number, date, customer, city, zone, product code, segment, items. We want to know only the items of phones with city Mumbai and technology. Three criteria are there. One is a Mumbai, another one is a technology, and third one is a phones. So based on that, we can able to extract the data from huge database. For that, simply click on AI Aided Formula Editor. Click on Copilot. Create VBA code to extract technology from segment column, phones from items column, Mumbai from city column. Once extracted, generate separate Excel sheet. This is our criteria. One is a Mumbai location, technology and phones. It will give step by step how it should be done. Step by step it is given. So let's follow the steps. First, Alt F11. Then insert module, entirely just copy it. It is done. After that, close it. Now you have to save the file with macro-enabled. This is very important point. It should be macro-enabled. Then only the macro will work. Next step, you should be running the code. Just run it. Within seconds it has given result. So here, without knowing any formula, any function mode, we can able to extract the data based on our requirement. Like that, we can able to get data based on our multiple criteria data. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.